Hi, my wonderful people. Yeah, welcome again to Akafada Kitchen. In case you're just joining for the first time or watching my video, please, I urge you to watch, like, and also share my video. Also follow my page for more of this. As you can see, let's just get it started. As we are going to learn how to prepare coconut oil. Now, as you can see, I have my coconut here. You can get this thing anywhere in the market. It's so affordable. It's everywhere in the market. Now when you get your own coconut, what you do, you crack it. As you can see, this is the water. I don't waste my own water. I like using it. I can use it. I can drink it. This is coconut flesh. That's the main thing we need. The white thing inside. That's the main thing we need. So, you have to break it into pieces. This is the main thing we need. As we are going to grind this thing very soon. Let's just go ahead and remove the whole flesh. I just finished removing the shell. We call this thing the shell. Just finished removing it. Next thing you cut this into pieces. So I just finished slicing it into pieces because I'm going to grind it. That is why, for the reason I'm slicing it, because I'm going to grind it. So let me go ahead and wash it out before it enters the machine and blender. can see, I have the chopped coconut here. I will slice it into pieces. Now I'll go ahead and grind it with my blender. This is warm water. So this is warm water. Go ahead and pour it to bring out the milk. You can see it. The first thing you do, you sieve it here first. You get the milk. Still have to add more water. Not too much water. Once you use warm water, the whole milk will be extracted. Set this aside. Bring this one forward. Now look for sieve. Close. I hope you can see what I'm doing. This is second sieving. With this one, there won't be any debris of coconut. You're only extracting the milk, which is the most important thing we need for this coconut oil. You can see it. All right, and that is it. This is the coconut milk. Now with this, we are going to get the oil. Just watch and see. Hello guys, as you can see, the milk is on the fire. It's boiling. It's boiling to bring out the oil. So please continue watching till the end. So guys, you can see here my coconut oil is ready. What you are seeing here is coconut oil right away. So let's do it again next time. So we'll come again. Bye.